Hey, here's going up Skyline to Baldy, and it's wonderful weather, and you can't see Baldy.
Wait, it's like 2 feet away. Oh
Yeah.
look, there's the tower, and behind it should be a mountain. However, behind this tower is not a mountain. Now we're going to start going against the wind. Roll down one.
Yeah. This is where we begin. We're here on top of Baldy, and it's sustainable. Jesus goes into apocalypse. The camera might be able to see our path, but we can't. Hold on, let me get up. Oh, this is so deep. Yeah. We're having trouble getting up this part. It's really icy, so I give him the ice jacket. My boots, pretty rough.